guys, Josie here from Valerie's channel, Valerie Van Jean.
I'm here, guys. I'm just filming Josie.
And today I'm going to be making some slime. So I just need to put my other slime away. So let's get started. First, you're going to need white glue, and you're going to pour it into a bowl. And you're going to pour all of that glue into a bowl. Now, we are going to be adding some activator, which is borax and water, if you're new here and you don't know what activator is.
And mix.
Did you pause it?
It's filming. It's forming, guys. Sorry, we literally only have like 20 seconds left on this tape for the video.
But you're just gonna keep on stirring and stirring and add a lot more activator. So I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, guys. So this is how my slime turned out. So bye.
Bye, guys.